Your next opportunity is already in your own backyard, literally. Welcome back to our From Mindset to Action series. So far this week, we have covered mindset, planning, the entire process, and overcoming doubt. Today is about activation. Not dreaming, not researching, activating what you already have. And for many homeowners like you, that starts with two things: the equity in your home and the untapped space in your backyard. When you combine the two, you can create a whole new stream of income through an ADU. What is an ADU? An ADU is an accessory dwelling unit. It's a small legal rental unit on your home, on your existing property. It can be a detached guest house, a converted garage, or even a unit above your garage. And here's the best part: it's yours. You own it. You control it. You profit from it. See, in many California neighborhoods, a well-built ADU can rent from anywhere between $1,800 and $3,200 per month, depending on the size, finishes, and the location. Man, that's passive income coming from a space you already own. Here's what this could look like for you. Let's say you build up equity in your property, meaning your property is worth more than what you own it. Then you could go and borrow $200,000 from that equity by using something called a home equity line of credit, or a HELOC for short. You take that money and use it to build a small rental unit in your backyard, what we call an ADU. Once it's done, you rent it out for around $2,500 a month. That's an extra 30 grand a year in income without buying a new property. At the same time, your home's value just went up. Why this works? Well, you're using your equity, not your savings, to build. You boost your value, your property value. You create rental income. You set yourself up for the next investment. This is one of the most overlooked moves in real estate today. And guess what? I help clients like you design the entire strategy, source the funding, and even connect you with builders to bring it to life. This is how I help my clients build a great financial future. Not by guessing or hoping, but by using what they already have. See, there's a great proverb that says, prepare your work outside, get everything ready for yourself in the field, and after that, build your house. In other words, be strategic with your resources and maximize what's already in your hands. And let me just say this isn't just something I talk about. This is exactly how I grow my own portfolio, using equity wisely, reinvesting strategically, and stacking up all the cash flow, one property at a time. So if this got you curious, right, and you want to know more, you want to know if your property qualifies for an ADU, or you want to see how much equity you can access and what kind of income that could generate, DM me or book a call. No pressure, just real answers.